Do you also want to transform from this to this? Then stay right here because in this video, I'll be sharing some super easy tips and tricks to achieve this look effortlessly. But hey, wait, if you're watching, watch till the end. Don't just disappear in the middle. And yes, before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your one click gives me the motivation to create more amazing content. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Namatrust. There's a lot of fun stuff happening there too. All the important links, including the products used in this video and my previous awesome videos, are mentioned in the description below. So don't forget to check them out. Now go on, enjoy the video. And if you don't leave a comment, I might just have to reconsider our friendship.
Beautiful people, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and taking care of your beautiful families. So my name is Shweta and welcome to Glance Review Hub. और आज मैं यहाँ पे लिटरली एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा मेकअप लुक करने वाली हूँ एंड दैट मेकअप लुक इज़ लाइक दिस एंड आई नो ये बहुत फेमस है सॉन्ग अभी फ़िलहाल एंड आई एम इन लव विद दिस लुक it's like complementing my features and you know everything. So just before we proceed in this video, my name is Shweta and I do all these type of videos like makeup, like reviews and lots of things. तो अगर आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पसंद है तो make sure that you're liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. And what's more, you can follow me on Instagram as well. You can follow me as No More Trust. Also, all the products which I used in this video, the links would be in the description as well. So do check it out. And without wasting any further time, let's move on to the video. Just testing the camera and all. So I think yeah, अच्छा दिख रहा है. Let's move on to the video, guys. Let's start. Basically, we'll start with a wet wipe and our face prep first. So I'm using this wet wipe, which is known this. Alright, so I have cleansed my face, and the next step is I'll be applying a toner. A toner is very important so that your skin stays hydrated. Over here, you can use any toner. I'm going to use a rose water. So I'll just right away spray it on my face. Okay, so the cream. यहाँ पे I'll take a very little amount. एकदम ज़्यादा मत लगाना. Basically सब लोग सीरम यूज़ करते हैं, but I'm not going to use any serums and all. तो मेरा serums के ऊपर से विश्वास उठ गया है फिलहाल. So right now I'm going to use the Aqualogica Glow Plus Hydrogel Moisturizer, जो आपने बहुत सारी वीडियोस में मेरे देखा होगा. And recently मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये टोनर, मतलब रोज वाटर एंड एवरीथिंग. आई एम जस्ट इन लव विद इट. थोड़ा सा इसको सूखा. आई एम गोना यूज दिस. आई एम गोना यूज अ लिप बाम व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नहीं तो ये जो है ना ऐसे हो जाता है. सो इट इज फ्रॉम यासा फैशन फ्रूट एंड ग्रोथ इंटेंस लिप बाम विद ऑर्गेनिक ऑयल्स एंड इंटेंस विटामिन ई. दिस इज व्हाट द लिप बाम लुक्स लाइक. प्लीज इग्नोर द हेयर. This is what the lip balm looks like. I'm gonna take a little bit amount of it. This is the texture and apply. तो ये अपने लिप्स को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा पूरा टाइम. नेक्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोना डू इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कलर करेक्टिंग करते हैं यूजुअली लोग, but I'm not going to do color correcting first. I'll first apply my favorite foundation. So here today I'm using Matte Look Cosmetics Sheer Fluid Serum Foundation with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and SPF 20. So this is the foundation. This is how it looks like, and it's a very beautiful bottle. And I'll semi-blend the foundation with a foundation brush. This is from Swiss Beauty foundation brush. See, okay. I'll take a very little amount. तो मैं अच्छे से इसको सारी जगह पे. और हाँ, बहुत अप लग रहा है. So what I usually do is I take this Inside Cosmetics का जो कॉन्टोर कंसील करेक्ट है ना, ये पैलेट में लेती हूँ. इसमें से मैं थोड़ा सा डार्कर शेड फ्रॉम माई स्किन टोन लेती हूँ, विच इज़ दिस वन, एंड आई अप्लाई इट ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. सो आई टेक अ लिटिल बिट लाइक दिस. Now what we can do is, the next step what I am going to do here is I am going to set the base. Okay, so set करने के पहले भी I will need to do a nice contour करेंगे अपन. ठीक है, so for contouring you can use the same palette of course, but I have other, like मेरे पास एक dark lipstick है, आप वो भी use कर सकते हो. And like there's so many things what you can do, but I'll use the same palette actually, जिससे contour अच्छा होगा. The same palette I'm gonna use and use a darker shade again. And आप same beauty blender भी use कर सकते हो. And I'm gonna apply a blush. This is a liquid blush from Matte Look Hilary Rhoda. I'm so sorry. This is the blush. And this is how it looks like. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लश अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ with a foundation brush. Now the next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a setting spray. It is again from Hilary Rhoda. It is 3-in-1 primer plus setting spray. तो ये मैं use करने वाली हूँ पूरे face पे to set the base. Okay, so I'll just been dried completely and I am loving it. I'm loving the base. तो उसको सेट करने के लिए ना what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a setting powder. I'm so sorry I forgot to show you. ये Hilary Rhoda से है the setting duo. So it has a compact plus loose powder. So इसका मैं loose powder use करने वाली हूँ with the help of compact. With our eyes. तो पहले eyes section में I'm gonna proceed with my eyebrows. So I'll just nicely do this. My eyebrows के लिए उन्होंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया, but we will need shimmer in this look. तो ये है Swiss Beauty का जो palette, which is Ultimate Shadow Palette. तो इसके ये लुक के लिए so sorry guys. So ये लुक के लिए I'm gonna use this palette. So basically I'm gonna go with a very lighter shade such as this. ये वाली eyeshadow का link description में. Blend it थोड़ा सा ये side में so that we'll have a nice base ready. It's looking very beautiful. बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं और बहुत कम भी नहीं. Very nice base. The magic liner, water resistant something. It is not waterproof to be honest. तो मैं ये सिर्फ waterline पे लगाने वाली हूँ. हिमालय का काजल, which is this. Very simple normal काजल और अच्छे से इसको just like that, and it is looking awesome. Now that everything is good, so मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, सेम अगेन थोड़ा सा आयरन भी लगा देने वाली हूँ क्योंकि इससे आयरन थोड़ा सा निकल गया. Okay, so or the last thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply mascara. So here the mascara is from Mars Cosmetics again. This is Step and Step mascara. I know it's the same thing, but काम करता है तो why not to use it? So it's so beautiful. The last thing what I'm gonna do is अगर आपको चाहिए आप विंग भी कर सकते हो ये लुक में, but I'm not doing it. The last thing और बहुत ही बोल्ड सा एक लिपस्टिक लगाने वाली हूँ मैं मेरे फेस पे. So either you can go with a brown shade or you can go with a red or you can just go with purple and nude. So I'm gonna use a nice nude shade over here. This is from again Natalie Cosmetics and this is Crazy Mauve. You can see this is how it looks like and I'm directly gonna apply it on my face. Usually मैं lip liners नहीं लगाती because I don't have the habit. और बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहा है लुक. जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ आई डू लुक लाइक. शायद कुछ कम रह गया होगा. इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी टाइप ऑफ लुक let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do it. That is it from me today guys and thank you so much for watching. It was a very simple look, very less things are used in this look और बहुत ही beautiful दिख रहा है. Sorry for the eyelashes part क्योंकि eyelashes were not sticking and all. तो अगर आपको eyelashes नहीं use करना है तो don't use it. So this is my makeup look. Do let me know in the comment section if you like it. Like, share, and subscribe to get Rhymes Reviewer. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.